2014 Chevy Camaro SS. Still got the factory converters there and there. It's got a total of 4. Then we put a bolt-on BORLA kit. I'll get you guys the number in a second so you can see the link in the description. Has a full BORLA cat back system from right there, from the original clamps back on each side, with an X-pipe, built-in X-pipe. Then it continues 2 1/4 all the way back into some BORLA ATAKS right there and right there. There's the kit. Goes all the way straight back into some 4-inch double wall tips there and there. The BORLA kit system is a 140532. If you guys are interested, there'll be a link in the description to where to purchase it. All right, guys. Hope you guys like it. 2013 Chevy Camaro SS V8. Still got the converters on it. Then an X-pipe. Then where we eliminated the resonator, we threw it away already. But it's usually a giant resonator on these. It goes from all the way here, all the way back. And then we also did a muffler delete right there and right there. And we put 4-inch pipe, 4-inch tips, sorry. Right there and right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Instagram tag us at the exhaust addicts. Yeah, oh, put it in park. I forgot the sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. About 103, 104. It's not too bad. It's perfect. It'll probably get a little bit louder too.
Yeah, I'm thinking about some headphones.
Oh, really? Hell yeah. Are you gonna get long tubes?
Yeah.
Are you gonna have them with cat? We can put them on as long as they have cats.
Yeah, they gonna have them on.
Yeah, bring them. We can put them in for you.
Oh,
yeah. He's the master of those. You'll just have to leave them with us for a day or so. Let you guys hear on the inside. Much better. Chevy Camaros never disappoint. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Camaro. Beautiful car. Any car in black never disappoints. You notice? The look, it just changes the whole look of it. Even a Prius. Sick. Beast mode. Hope you guys enjoy. Give me a guess. Better? All right, man. Have a good one. Enjoy it, bro. You like it?